All right, KTAuthentics Sports Memorabilia and Cards. We're going to do a box of Goodwin for Soxbreaker. He picked box 8. He really wanted box 3, so this is box 3 now. Box 3. Really box 8. We're just having some fun on a Wednesday night. Good luck, man. Get one of those Alice in Wonderland art cards. That would be sick. Those books right there. Those books. You can see. All right. Well, that's a good back. So it fell out 10 of 16. Misha Tate. That's a good one. 10 of only 16. Magic or Magician back. Misha Tate. PEDs. That's a very nice one right there. Alright, we got a 3D card, but first we got Zach Test. Zach Test, rugby star. Cannot tell you who he plays for or what rugby actually is. We have 3D lenticular Bast. Card 21. Let's see what short print that is. Bast is 1 in 145. That is Africa, Middle East. 1 in 145. Thank you, JB. All right, we have Sasha DeJulian, Canvas Mini. Stephanie Johnson. Tony Merritt. Robert Streb. Who'd you want to see? Premium Series. Goodwin Champions Memorabilia. Well, you know. Oh, Michael Jordan. That is floor. Game used basketball memorabilia. It is floor. That is sick. Robert Streb. Christy Rampone. Tom Glavine. Tommy Jones. Kalen Kyle. Thomas Jefferson. Randy Caballero. Tom Glavine. Robert Streb. Mario Lemieux. Misha Tate. Brett the Hitman Hart. So they count this as a hit. Low numbered jersey and autograph. So nice box, Sox. Nice Jordan, nice Tate.